Today I'm going to be showing my paper squishy collection. This video, so I'm going through the bottom and the top. By the way, this thing is my desk. I'm going to go through like my oldest ones to the newest ones. So let me find my newest one. I mean oldest. God, I have a lot. Okay. I have more, so I have to bring it. Okay, I have a lot. Yep, I have a lot. Okay, guys, I found my oldest. So, I was making Apple products, and this was my first ever squishy, too. It's a phone. Yeah, this is not very squishy, but yeah. And then I took a break on Apple. Then I went to this one. S'more. This squishy is very good. And I used my mom's blender to make this squishy. And I got approval though. Very nice. I went to skincare. Cloud Surf Bubble. Not the best, but I tried my best. Yep, very good. Back to Apple products and made an iPad. Very airy, like. Yeah. This took a long time. It took like 2 hours. It looked like it did. I made a MacBook, which is the worst. This is like the worst MacBook that I have. But it squishes like very good and well for tapping because I taped everything. I don't tape everything, but I did on this one. So yeah. The Apple Pen, but this is not really a squishy, so yeah. And then I have there's my Apple Watch. I'm gonna compare. So I have a phone, iPad and everything. But guys, this is my Apple Watch. Yeah, it kind of looks the same. But yeah, very cool and very nice. This one is, I'm done with my Apple products. The next one I did was this Drunk Elephant squishy. It's not my best, but I still did it. It was Christmas season, so I made this squishy snowman. Very cute and very squishy. This Santa squishy. I feel like I'm better at drawing than stuffing it. I need some polyfill. This cookie. Not that squishy, but still a squishy. On Christmas, so I made the smiley face. It's 3D. Very cute. I made this candy cane squishy. I used cotton, so it's squishier. And it's very simple. I made this Christmas game book. It's where you decorate your own snowman, bake your own cookies, decorate your own Christmas tree. I haven't done this, so in the next video, I might do this. This is not Christmas, but this could be a Christmas gift. It's a Kuromi notebook. It has a lot of air in there, which is kind of bad, but very nice. I made this squishy reindeer. It's 3D. I made this Christmas tree. Very cute. This is the end of the video. should I make more or not? And right now I'm working on this avocado squishy. I made the 3D lines already. I need to just add the filling. And yeah. Down below, which one was your favorite? I think my personal favorite is the game book. And this one, I was working on this for like 3 hours. Yeah, make sure to comment down below what your favorite is. Bye.